Welcome to Luxevista TV, where luxury meets power and the future of automotive excellence comes alive. Today, we explore one of the most exclusive and powerful hypercars ever created, the Bugatti Divo, a machine built not just for speed, but for perfection. Overview. The Bugatti Divo is not just another supercar. It is a limited edition masterpiece, with only 40 units ever produced, making it one of the rarest cars in the world. Named after legendary racing driver Albert Divo, this car was designed with one mission: to dominate corners and deliver extreme performance on the track. Exterior and aerodynamics. At first glance, the Divo looks aggressive and futuristic. Its design focuses heavily on aerodynamics, featuring a massive rear wing, large air intakes, and a lightweight body built for maximum downforce. Compared to other Bugatti models, the Divo produces significantly more downforce, allowing it to handle corners faster and with greater precision. This is not just design, this is engineering art. Interior. Inside, the Bugatti Divo offers a perfect blend of luxury and performance. The cabin is crafted with premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and high-end leather. The seats are lightweight yet extremely comfortable, designed to keep the driver stable even at high speeds. Everything inside is focused on the driver, minimalistic, elegant, and performance-oriented. This is not just an interior, it's a cockpit for speed. Engine and power. Under the hood lies one of the most powerful engines ever built. The Bugatti Divo is powered by an 8.0-liter W16 engine with 4 turbochargers, producing an incredible 1,500 horsepower and 1,600 Newton-meters of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.4 seconds, delivering explosive performance. Auto's max about. With a top speed limited to 380 kilometers per hour, this hypercar combines extreme speed with precise control. This is not just power, this is dominance. Technology and advantage. What makes the Bugatti Divo special is not just speed, it's how it drives. Compared to other Bugatti models like the Chiron, the Divo is lighter and more focused on handling. It features advanced suspension, improved cooling systems, and enhanced aerodynamics that make it faster on corners and tracks. This means better control, better stability, and a more thrilling driving experience. Price. The Bugatti Divo comes with a price tag of around $5.70 to $5.80 million. CCR price +1. And despite this extreme price, all units were sold out immediately after launch. CNBC. This is not just a car, it's a collector's dream. The Bugatti Divo is more than a hypercar. It is a symbol of engineering excellence, luxury, and ultimate performance. For those who demand the best, this is perfection on wheels.